Hey everyone, welcome back to Uipath tutorials. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Linq and inside Linq how we can use the group by. So what we're going to do here in this table is it will going to place a group by clause on employee and the department, and it will going to calculate the working hours. So the working hour of Smith is 7 plus 8 plus 8, so it's a 23. So the bot will going to display the record in this way. For the Taylor it's in this way, and for Perkins in this way. You can see the Perkins at two places, and it have the working as 6 plus 5, it's 11. So I'm coming to the UI path, reading the sheet 1 and putting the output in the DT sheet 1. Then just use the assign activity, use IEnumerable. You can create it by clicking here, click on the browse for types, type IEnumerable. Okay, I'm sorry, IEnumerable. You have to select this, select the object and click on the OK button. I've already created, so I've cancelled that. Okay, so in the assign activity at the left side you will going to use IEnumerable, right side you will going to use the Linq query. So you can have the Linq query like this. From P in DT sheet 1 as IEnumerable, group by P, by object P. So object P is nothing but holding the values of all this. So we're going to refer the object P instead of all these values. So you can see like key.pEmployee. So you can write it anything here, p employee, pq employee, whatever. P.Employee, this is the header. This is the header of employee. This is the basically header of the DT sheet 1. Same way the department header, and putting that in the key.p department. So the result will going to come will hold by the object p. So we will going to refer object p. Then you see into mg equals to group, select new with dot employee equals to object p. As I told you, we will going to refer now object p dot p employee. So p employee is coming from here. So whatever you will going to give here, it will going to reflect here. So in the left side you see dot employed. So you whatever you will going to give the name here, the bot will going to provide the headers only on the basis of those names. So as in the query you see employees, so you will going to get the headers name employee here. Same way for the department I have done. You can see for the department. For the working hour, I'm just using the function and it's going to calculating the working hours. It's going to adding the working hours at the end, then the ToList. Now I have all the data in IEnum. Then I will going to use the string manipulation I will do. So there is, let me tell you what the data means, how exactly the format of data will be in IEnumerable object type. So this is the format, how the how the basically the data uh, basically the IEnumerable consists the data. So is the query is divided into two parts. First one will going to provide you the headers, and the second one, second one will going to provide you exactly the all the rows. So first for the headers, second for the values. Let me show you quickly. So this query will going to give you the headers, and this query will going to give you only the values, not this one. So if you want the detail explanation, I can give you in the next video. It's all upon you. Just comment on the video if you want the detail analysis, why we are using this, and how we can know that how we have to use this string.join at what places. So I can just explain you in that videos. So quickly moving to the next thing, just use the right line. You can use it or not. It depends upon you. I'm removing it. Now just use generate data table, and in the input you will going to put the str result. Str result nothing but a string variable. that so every the data that is coming from this string.join, this manipulation, we will have into the strResult. So inside the input strResult we are giving, and then the output DT sheet 2, and DT sheet 2 we are going to put here in the right range so that we can have the exact result in the actual sheet of sheet 2. So just let me delete this data, and just I'm going to run the bot now. So you can see that the result that is displayed by bot. So you can see I already told you that this at the three places Smith, there were at the three places you will see the Smith with the department ID, and it's working hour different. If it's same, it's not a problem. It will going to calculate the working hours, and we're going to combine that particular record into one. So you will see there were the three records. We have three rows here instead of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we were having a six records here, but after grouping by, we only have the three records. So at many places, at the many places, you can use this query. Somewhere you want to calculate the department, that I just want to calculate the department, that for the IT, how many working hours the people has spent. So you can, it's depend upon the requirement. So if you want to calculate on the department, you can put the group by on the department only. Don't put the group by on the employee. So this is it from my side, and if you may have any confusion on this video, or you want a more explanation on something else, then comment it. Oh, I will help you. Thank you. Bye bye.